We've briefly touched on field recorders in our camera accessories buyer's guide, but in this video we're going to take a deeper dive into their functionality and how they can benefit you on set or out in the field. Whilst most cameras come with an inbuilt screen, these often don't provide the best image for reviewing what you're actually shooting. It's common to see an additional field monitor attached to a camera rig. These field monitors provide more viewing options than traditional camera displays, with many offering an array of additional features. Besides being able to review your footage, another important way of checking what you're shooting is through the use of scopes. The most common scope available on field monitors is the waveform. Waveforms reflect your image from left to right and can be configured to show a specific colour channel or all three. You can even use some waveforms to display only the luminance channel. Normally, the y-axis on the waveform will display 0 to 700 millivolts or 0 to 100 IRE, as this is the range of a legal broadcast signal peak to peak. If we are viewing 10-bit scopes, then values on the y-axis may show 0 to 1023, the full 10-bit range of the image. In both scenarios, 0 indicates black, and 100, 700 or 1023 indicates white. You can assess contrast through a waveform by comparing the top and bottom points. Points further away from each other indicate that there is a larger range between black and white, meaning that there is greater contrast. Most field monitors also allow you to import a LUT. The ability to add a lookup table, or LUT as they are most commonly referred to, can be used to calibrate the display for accurate colour representation, or help you better visualise the final look of a shot. This is great if you're shooting a log profile, as these images will look flat out of the camera. And adding a LUT can give you a better idea of what the graded shot will look like. Many field monitors also come with recording functionality as well. This makes capturing an isolated backup or generating proxies in a more lightweight codec far easier. Some cameras have the functionality to output a raw video stream over their video outputs, and there are certain field monitors that support capturing to RAW formats, like ProRes RAW or Blackmagic RAW. Most field monitors also have functions like false colour. False colour is an incredibly handy tool for helping you expose correctly. By using a specific colour to represent a certain luminance range, you can see how bright each individual element of your scene is. Field monitors are so handy and aren't just limited to on-camera use. A small portable monitor can be added anywhere in a signal chain where you wish to monitor the image, either visually or through the use of scopes. I hope this has helped you understand a bit more about field monitors and where they fit within the on-set workflow. If you want to know more, then please contact the ScanPro video team.